Art Factory for Kids. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Art Factory for Kids channel. Today, we are going to draw and color a birthday cake. We'll use vibrant colors to make a beautiful drawing. Let's start drawing. At first, I'm drawing a plate. Now, I'm drawing 3 cake layers. On the top, I'm drawing 3 candles. Now, I'm drawing semicircles for the cream layers. On the top cake layer, I'm drawing stars as a decoration. On the middle layer, I am drawing 4 beautiful hearts. On the bottom layer, I'm drawing lines like this. Now, I use these black marker to make the drawing more visible. Let's start to color. Yellow color for the candle lights. Now, I'm coloring the first candle with sky blue, red, green, yellow color. I choose blue for the top birthday cake layer. Red color for the hearts. I'm drawing the next layer with green. Now, purple color. And orange color. I'm coloring the plate with blue. At the end, I'm coloring with cream color. I have a surprise for you. Now, I'm drawing cake cutlery. At first, I'm drawing a knife. I'm drawing smooth waves like this. Now, I'm drawing a cake fork. Let's start coloring. At first, I'm drawing a heart with red color. For the star, yellow color. Now, I'm coloring the handles with brown color. Blue color and gray color. Our birthday cake drawing looks so beautiful. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.